It can equally handle an internal wound, right? Say something here, please. Also, they your sister for how long now? You don't want to know how long he has been there. My own, I have to treat him. Go treat him. 7 days, that also don't go. Wash and make it clear like my own. For the case of ulcer, maybe the stomach ulcer or the chest ulcer, wash and make it very clean, please. And this one, when we say if you take anything starch, if you drink Coke or you chop apple, go pain for your chest to your back. That one is acid reflux. Or for nights you are sleeping, your blood make noise all the whole time. That one is intestinal fungi. At this same plan, they handle that for you. See something here, please. Once you get it for me like this now, you go bring and come your house. Wash and make it very clean. Once you wash it, don't do very clean now. You can consume this now, go take care of the ulcer for like 1 month. But now let me show you the fastest means to take care of the ulcer in just 7 days. You go. If not, go see me here, come back and talk to me here. Before I even leave here today, I will give all of them now. Company flyer, son, you can come to the company in case you lack anything. Plant. See something here. What is this? Salt, man? This salt is an immune booster, it's vitamin A. And it also serves as a catalyst. It will spin the reaction. Once I combine this now and this, the reaction will be very fast now. Are you getting me? Say something about it. Please, if you get BP for here, don't use salt. You can use another form of vitamin A. You can use carrots or garbage. That's what I'm showing you, please. For the case of ulcer, stomach or chest ulcer, get a pinch of salt. Just a pinch of salt like this. You touch like this. You try to fold it up. Once you fold up, now put it in your mouth and chew for me. Do very well. Chew very well. Salt the water. And the water go down. Chew very well. Once don't chew them now. Water don't go down. No get test again for your mouth. Bring out the chaff. Throw away the chaff. But because you use raw salt there, not to cause inflammation on the level of your throat, use a glass of water and push it down. Say something here, please. Sam here. For the case of ulcer, once you consume this small part, and take note, oh my God, my phone, say doctor, I don't carry my own, put your fridge. Don't put this in the fridge. Once you get this small part now, turn to salt every morning you chew up. Every morning you chew up. For the first 7 days only. Ulcer of 30 good years becomes a history in your life with this. Straight to the next plan, please. Then women, I will talk this one here about women for fibroid. When they get fibroid, that's what I said. This one for women. This one for poison. If you don't date for how long? Poison there for 30 years for a system. This one bring out the poison in less than 60 seconds. What we call the cancer odontales here. The stinky wood or the filogoso. Then this one goes for quick delivery women. Women when they pass through CS all the whole time. Same here. What we call the trifrontal remodia here. So, and the root of this same plant goes for hepatitis A and B. So now let me start my lecture, please. I'm going to start my lecture now. This one goes for men with weak erection. See something here. Weak erection in men. Poor sexual drive. See something here. If erection is very poor in the man, all the whole time your own are the top qualities for house. See your own for here. Men there for this club. Men there here.
Yes, we are here.
Men there.
Yes.
All right. I'm coming after men, own and women. Men there for here.
Yes.
No one ask that question. No be all man be man. Some na shirt and trouser make a man. In the real ask for the person say nobody. Now I make they ask that question. Some they carry chest, they build that tummy, say na 6 parts. Man no dey for chest, man dey for here. Say something here. Poor sexual driving men. Some men after the top politics for house. Before they meet their partner, they carry alamo them drink. Shake baby aku carry wa eruke the bitakura tamada or afno you go carry kerosene to me. You ask and say one go play match. Play which match? You are cleaning your system, those things are not good for you. See something here, please. For weak erection in men, see what I'm showing you, please. No use shame, swallow cough. Go and treat yourself now. This will not be manpower. This is plantain soccer. What we call the Musa. What we call the Musa sapientum. Now this will not be manpower, but not be stimulants. This one the directs the pineal veins to allow blood to retain for a very longer time. You play a match well. For the case of weak erection in men, poor sexual drive, go and get me plantain. And if erection don't go down very well in a man, all you need to do is first of all take something like it before you go use this one. This one bring down sugar in you. If you not take this one to bring the sugar down in you, you can't take the whole plantain for natural state, no go work for you. I'm going to talk about that. Say something here. See what I'm showing you, please. Weak erection in men, poor sexual drive, get me plantain sugar like this. All the whole time you're at the top politics. Now make at the cost of men, yeah, men. Some men there for here, this man don't weak. Then get 4 children, only one they resemble the man. The remaining 3 look like landlord, never and get man. See something because you cannot discharge of it. See something here, please. In the case of weak erection, I'm going to talk, they're going to do guy now. If I go house, my phone will ring. Doctor, that thing for weak erection. Wait, my wife, they come. Doctor. Here I'm now, they do guy. See the water from plantain here. The water from plantain here. I go teach men here today how to use the water from plantain here to get water from pineapple. You mix it together, ferment it for just 3 days. After 3 days, as you use and finish, once you fire them, even without telling you, once you see plantain stand straight like this, you know something dangerous can happen. But let me talk about this plant now. Let me start the lecture from here. I will not start my lecture now. So if you want right now, right now. You know what right now? You get your phone, record the lecture. I'm not outside because you are going to pay me. They've already paid me to come and talk like this and teach you plant in case you get sick tomorrow. But if you no one here, if you go your way, life not choice. And if you dare here, all that they try to shout here, if nothing they enter your head, come up for here. Dare here, you no learn. Go where they go, you no go. Now you lose. Me, I'm not losing the time. Look at cassava here. Come on, cassava. After this, I talk about pie. Pie, what the anus they pull outside. All the whole time, rectal prolapse. And if you carry pie, go hospital. Then go say operation. They will carry pie, go there, they will say operation. They will cut the anus away. Pie at the end of the large intestine, you don't cut the anus. Are you getting me? Now, if they cut them, then go stitch am here. Here go they treated, but the pie had not yet been treated. Any day when you carry waiting pie, no like put from out, anus pull out again. Now I mean some people they operate pie the first time, second and third time. Come to my office, you go see men where wear pampers to come there. I will talk and they do guard. Now Kokian go treat you. This one, the one we call the xanthostomach special. You know we have 2 types in Africa. This one, the triangular leaf, and the one with the round leaf. The other one, the round leaf, we call the Colocasia esculenta. That one, they go for snake bite or any dangerous animal bites in anybody. Even that one, you know, so if you go meet her in the morning, even for this season now, water they 30% here. Sure, you know. That one with the round leaf. If you go there in the morning, water 30% here. Person gets sore throat for how many weeks now? Once you go and drink that water there, the sore throat they go in 60 seconds only. But this one goes for pie. Pie where they still the anus they pull outside like that. See something here. Your brother get pie, sister get pie. If they still the anus they pull outside like that all the whole time. That is rectal prolapse. Pie be like yam. It's there for ground. As they try to uproot them, they cut for ground. Any day when run touch that place, pie start again. That's what pie be. And we cannot ride for pie in this country. All we consume is carbohydrate, gari, apple, rice, yam. Pie will come one day.
God will get your number.
If you rush, go. Don't disturb me here. I'm here to teach, not for you to call me on phone. Are you getting me? When I'm done lecturing, you can call me in case you forget. But now I've not even started lecture. So what are you calling me for? My girlfriend. See something here, please. For the case of pie, the anus they pull outside like tail. Now I make some work, my number, don't go allow me sleep for night. I still be my girlfriend. Learn something, you go say you they rush. What are you rushing for? If na guy they do, look me well. Me na confined guy man be this Western here. Now money they pay me to come outside from my office. I don't come outside. Listen and learn something here. Once you get the inner side of cocoyam like this now, you combine with the osmum basilicum here, the sweet basil. Who knows this plant here? Nchawu, Anyeba, Bameko, scent leaf. This plant is a cold plant. They grow the waste for bush. People they carry inhaler for pocket because of asthma. They will come for this time. People they buy cough medicine, go give their parents, give their children. They weaken the liver. This one they waste for bush. Tuberculosis. See, look at your plant here. In just 14 days, it goes away from you. Once you combine the both like this now, it takes care of pie for just 3 days. Pie will go inside and never to come outside again. Look at the plant here. But before I talk about this, let me start with this. Now, see something here. I've already talked like 3 or 4 now. Now, let me start with this. Who knows this plant here? Even if you don't get time at all to wait. I advise, learn this plant and go your way. We there Africa today, and all we consume these days na sugar. Gari, apple, rice, yam, sugar, the rice. It causes us problem inside. We there Africa today, and most of us they get BP. If your parents are having BP issue, you carry medicine, go buy for BP, carry go give them. Now that day you killed your parents. BP drugs are very, very, very addictive. They start taking and they'll take it for the rest of their life. And you go weaken the organs, they go die quick. Go and use this plant. 14 days, BP don't drop. 14 days, sugar don't drop with this. I'm not buying the plant in the waste for bush there. See something here, what we call the local sponge or the local cylindrical. See something here, please. For the case of sugar, for the case of BP, sugar they rise all the whole time in your system. If you ask me a question before, madam, say stroke, Abi, you first of all tackle the BP before you tackle the stroke. If BP won't help you, it enter the eyes, turn to glaucoma. If it won't help you, give you stroke. But if no one help you, go knock you for ground, kill you instanter. Say something here. I will talk, so I'm going to do guy. For the case of BP, for the case of sugar, sugar they rise all the whole time. BP they rise all the whole time. And sugar, what you they see? Rise for human being body. You go see the woman, the person they behave like far away brain don't beat. See something here. No, they hear English. One day I go speak French for this country. I said I'm coming to talk about that. Let me start with this. We will not talk with that. Now you carry me come outside.
No, I didn't interested in this one now.
Make other people know they make other people now when no they interested now. See something here, please. See something here, please. You don't hear your own. I know what is the worry you. You don't hear your own. See something here, please. For the case of sugar, for the case of BP, sugar they rise all the whole time. BP they rise. Men they here.
Yeah.
If sugar rise too much, he enter this man. This man weak. That kind of man they talk politics for night. Madam they touch you with leg. They tell him how Sariki, police they find Sariki. What think concern Sariki and work with it for ground? Do work, he says Sariki. You think Sariki and your wife, brother? Go and clean your system, please. You do some bring down the sugar level in you. See something here, please. Those kind of men. So person go enter motor from here, go who say, go read newspaper, make you come tell the wife story for night because you cannot do anything. See what I'm showing you? Sugar they rise all the whole time. BP they rise all the whole time. Please, once your parents are taking BP drugs, they will die instantaneously very, very soon. This one helps them. The organs will function very, very well. You're not buying the plant in the waste of it. Use your phone and Google what is called Lufas Vendrica. You will see much about this plant. Even the seed of that plant, they use as sponge. It's sold for $5 each seed, but they waste for fence here. I'm going to talk, then they do that here. The seed is to boost sperm count in men. See something here. Sugar they rise all the whole time. BP they rise your system all the whole time. It's the best adaptogen so far in the whole West Africa. See something here, please. For the case of sugar, for the case of BP, and I advise you, even though you not get sugar now, you not get BP for your system, go carry your, go hospital, go do your BP test today. For this Baba regime now, BP they well. Go check up. Me no go fall for grand die. See something here. Sugar they rise all the whole time. BP they rise all the whole time. See something here, please. Now I've gotten enough of this. The plant. Now who knows the plant very well here?
Sponge leaf.
Sponge leaf. Lupus Vendrica. This one not be good with this. If you build your house, you not get money to roof up. Now God go send a call roof up for if you better person. This one they grow for fence. Anyway, when fence they push they now they grow them. Like this. When person go carry good they drink so they bring that BP. Who good the title of type for not BP. Say something here, please. Now get me salt like this. For the case of sugar, for the case of BP, sugar they rise your system all the whole time. BP don't fool your system all the whole time. Get me salt. To add salt to it like this. So I'm showing you, please. The salt I'm adding there is to use to wash the plants. But if you get BP here, no use salt to wash your own. Go get me what we call the cedar vinegar, or use warm water to wash your own. Are you getting me?
Or warm water.
Warm water or cedar vinegar to wash your own, please. Sugar they rise your system all the whole time. BP they rise your system all the whole time. See something here, please. For the case of BP, for the case of sugar, please help me, please, young man. Come. Come now, young man, come. Help me with that water, make you pour me here.